Hello planners, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your own pocket dashboard or envelope for your A5 planner using laminating sheets. Let's go! I'm Marianne, and in today's video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can make pocket dashboard or envelope for your A5 planner using laminating sheets. Here's what you'll need. Laminating sheets. I'm using a gloss finish and 80 micron thickness, paper trimmer, a ruler, and a laminating machine. All items mentioned and shown in today's video, the details can be found in the description below. Today I'm going to make an A5 pocket dashboard for A5 ring planners. A pocket dashboard is a great way to customize and change your cover or dashboard for your planner. For one A5 pocket dashboard, you'll need 2 laminating sheets. One sheet I'll cut to size to create the pocket portion of the dashboard, which will get sandwiched in between the second sheet. Grab your paper trimmer. One short side of the sheet is sealed, so we need to trim that off to separate the 2 pieces. For an A5 pocket, you'll need to trim these 2 pieces down to 8 inches in length and 5 3/8 wide. This piece will now create the pocket space for your dashboard. A laminating sheet has shiny side on the outside while the inside portion is textured, so then when it's run through your laminating machine, it'll stick together with heat. Now we need to create a pocket, and to do this we need to turn these 2 pieces inside out, so now the glossy side is inside and the textured side is on the outside. Sandwich these 2 pieces inside the second laminating sheet, making sure it's lined up on top of each other. When placing the pocket pieces inside, make sure you leave a bit of space on one of the long side. This is where we will hole punch it, so then that way it can be placed in your ring planner. I leave at least ½ an inch. Now it's time to laminate this sheet. Follow the instructions of your laminating machine and make sure it indicates that it's ready for laminating. Insert the sealed end first, making sure the pocket pieces doesn't slide around or misalign inside. Once laminated, as you can see, the areas that doesn't have the pocket piece is sealed shut together. Now I normally like to run my laminated piece again through the machine for that extra seal. It's now time to cut the piece into a pocket dashboard. One long side is going to be the opening piece of the pocket. Grab your paper trimmer. Align the edge of one of the long side along the part of your paper trimmer where the blade glides to cut. And if it was cut right at the edge of that pocket piece, then it should open up for the opening side. Now you have created the pocket space for the dashboard. Next, you need to trim the excess pieces from the top and the bottom of the pockets. Now it's important that you don't cut too close to the edge piece of the pocket piece, or else it will open up and you won't have any sealed area to keep the pocket closed. It's going to be up to you how much edge you want on your pocket, but I like to keep mine at around 1/8 of an inch or just a little bit less. You'll get to know your own paper trimmer and exactly where to line the edge of that pocket piece to cut at the right place. And there we are. We now have a sealed edge that will keep the 2 pieces together. Now if you know you're going to be putting a lot of things in the pocket, then make the sealed edge a little bit wider so it doesn't open through wear and tear. Now do the same for the other short end. It's now time to trim the long edge that will be hole punched. I'm going to have an edge measuring at about ½ an inch for my A5 planner. So I line the pocket edge on the ½ inch mark on your paper trimmer and cut. Now you have an edge you can hole punch. Grab your hole puncher. This one is the We Are Memory Keeper adjustable 6-hole puncher. Make sure it's at the A5 settings and the paper glide at the back is set at A5 mark. Align the top of your dashboard to the paper guide of the hole puncher and punch away. Now you have an A5 size pocket dashboard. If you want to support me and the content that I make in this channel, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're finding value in today's video, you can also support me by using my affiliate links in the description below. It's now time to test it out in your A5 planner. Perfect fit. Today I'm going to pop in a nice printed craft paper and trim it down to size. Now we know the pocket we measured earlier is 8 inches and 5 3/8. So for any pieces that you do place inside your pocket dashboard, it needs to be slightly smaller in measurement to fit inside. I need to trim the length of my craft paper shorter than 8 inch. Now here you can see at first go I didn't take into consideration that it needed to be slightly shorter and instead did cut it at 8 inch. You'll see what happens later when I try to slip it in the pocket. The width I trimmed at 5 1/4 inch, which will be fine and will fit perfectly in the pocket. Now let's try to pop it inside. And no, it's still quite long, so we need to grab the trimmer again, and this time I placed it slightly shorter than the 8 inch mark on my paper trimmer. Now let's try it for the second time, and a bit of a jiggle and a wiggle. Now I'm sure it could be a little bit shorter, but it'll have to do for now. There you have it. Now if you want me to show you how to make a pocket dashboard for your personal size planner, make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified of when I upload that video next. But in the meantime, if you want to see how to make clear pockets for your task cards, watch this video right here.